Hi, this is Kenny Daigle with KD Cuts, and today I'd like to share with you a method for making a small luggage tag. This is a standard kit you can buy from Tandy. Okay, you can see how the size of that. I decided I wanted to make something smaller, so I took that design and changed it and made it about 6 inches long and about a ½ inch wide, and I put someone's initials on it. So that's what we're going to do in today's video. Let's go over to the workbench and get started. I've got 3 pieces cut 6 inches by ½ inch wide. I've got a finished one next to it. You notice the finished one's a little bit longer, 6½. I've marked them so that I can put in my scallops. Those marks are about 2 inches from the end. I've left 1.5 inches for the letters, 1/4 inch lettering set. I'm going to do those scallops with my belt tool. You can use whatever you want. And then I'm going to put my T-slot on the other side. You'll notice I've got it in different places on all 3. You can put the T-slot anywhere from the top of the 6-inch strap to a little closer in if you want a little tighter loop for whatever your application is. So I've gone ahead and I've already done one for you. I've scalloped one and put in the T-slot. So now, let me do one live. So I'm very carefully using my belt end cutter. Okay, let me get those completed. Okay, I like that. Now the T-slot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my number 3 punch, and I'm going to not really punch through. That allows me to overlap a little bit, makes things a little easier. And then another hole at the bottom. Okay, and then I'm going to take and carefully, very carefully, cut this T-slot. You got to be very careful about doing this. Almost done. And there you go. I've put in the scallops and the T-slot. So I'll take that, fold it over, that T-slot might need to be a little longer. All right, so that's no problem. I'm just going to take my punch and very carefully extend the hole, extend the slot. And there you go. There's the second one done. Now the luggage tags are finished. I've stained 2 of them in tan, 1 in a medium brown. You can see the different size of the loops based on where you put the T-slot. So let's review: 6 inches long, ½ inch wide. Leave 2 inches for putting the initials in with a 1/4 inch alphabet set. The scallop is about a ½ inch wide, and the diameter at the throat of the scallop is anywhere from 1/4 to 5/16. So this is a real simple project, makes great gifts, and it's based off of the basic pattern you get from Tandy. So if you found this interesting, please hit the like button down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks. See you soon.